Not posted yet. Try again. Problem fixed on Instagram app. Hello guys, in today's short video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone. Open the apps manager. When you open the apps now, right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram, click on this force stop option to stop the app from running in the background of your phone. Now you have to click on the internal storage or the storage and click on this clear data option, click on delete and then click on clear cache. Go back and click on data usage, and now all what you have to do on this page is make sure that all those options are enabled and then disable the roaming data option. Now all what you have to do is go back and reopen your Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.